Hello friends, I am Shirebanu, your mentor from TutorCabin Private Limited. Today I explain this whole sexual reproduction by the flow chart. So we draw this flow chart in front of you for the understand of these flower parts as well as reproductive parts in easy or understand way. So this is a flow chart of the endospermic plant. The flower have the two parts. First one is essential part and second is non-essential parts. The essential parts are those parts which are participate in the reproduction, and non-essential part are those parts which are not participate in the reproduction. That is called a non-reproductive part. So the non-reproductive parts are the petals, that is known as a corolla, sepals, that is known as a calyx, and thalamus. Those parts of flowers are sitting on the sloven part, that is called a thalamus. So the reproductive part or essential part have also two parts. First one is a stamen and second is a carpen. Stamen is a male reproductive part, that is called a androecium, and carpels are the female reproductive part, that is called a gynoecium. Stamen also divide into two parts, that is the first one is a anther and second one is a filament. And the anther are those place in which the pollen grain are developed and transferred to the stigma. Female reproductive part is also known as a pistil because have the three sections. First one is stigma, style, and ovary. Stigma have some sticky fluids in which the pollen grain are sticked in it and then travel to style to ovary. So the transfer of pollen grain to the stigma, that is called a pollination process. The pollination are also take part in two ways. First one is self-pollination and second is a cross-pollination. The cross-pollination are also done by the some agencies, that is called abiotic and biotic agency. Abiotic means wind and water are responsible for pollination, and abiotic agency, that is an insect, bird, bat, snail and ant are responsible for pollination. So friends, if the pollen grain travel to the ovaries, the ovules are present in it, and the ovules and pollen grain fuse together and form zygote. So in this way, in this flowchart, we studied all the process of reproduction. So it is a very easy and understandable for you. Have any query? Please ask. Thank you friends.